Mr. Pradesh Nandi is the producer of the director, and I am the producer of the music director, who happens to be my son, Neil. So we come on stage. So, and he's our music. And so we are here to celebrate the old Anglo-Indian ethos which we grew up with, which I grew up with very much in Calcutta, on Park Street, and the music that helped me grow, and the musicians who I saw playing. I learned little bit of the guitar from those musicians who just went on playing Elvis Presley or Jim Reeves and died or migrated somehow to the West. I'd like to call upon the stage Mr. Shobhan Mukherjee, whom we call Devi Devida, who's been playing with Usha Uthup for God knows when, and he's been with the band and he's gone all over the world. He's a fantastic piano player, and I'm very grateful to have him with us today. Mr. Shobhan Mukherjee. And a very young but yet extremely talented drummer, rock drummer, whom we forced into this group and said, you have to play pop. The wind in my hair, the dusk in my eyes, the chill on my breath reminds me of you. A song half written, a story untold, an old man traveling alone reminds me of you. The empty city streets that don't dream anymore, an old midnight choir that don't sound like before, bittersweet memories of a homemade wine. Of blood, the rust is